Place it on the windowsill. Water and condensation won't settle on the window panes. This adorable ornament will help eliminate moisture. Plus, it looks absolutely charming. Grab a white sock and turn it inside out. Trim the end with scissors. Tie the sock's end using thread. Make a couple of knots to make sure it stays put. Turn the sock right side out. Get some white rice ready. Pour it into the sock. Rice is an excellent moisture absorber. Additionally, it tackles unpleasant odors. Once the sock is filled, tie the top with thread. Then, shape it into 2 balls, holding it in the middle with your hand. The upper ball should be smaller than the one at the bottom. Take some thread and tie it in the middle. Take a long piece of red fabric and tie it in the middle. This will be a small scarf. Take a colorful sock and cut a piece off. Place it on top of the sock to create a little hat. Prepare some black and red pins. Attach the red pin in the middle and 2 black ones on the sides to form eyes and a nose. Insert 3 black pins into the bottom ball. They'll look like buttons. This charming sock snowman will make a delightful holiday decoration. Creating it is as easy as child's play, and kids absolutely love it. Plus, just place it on the windowsill to solve any window-related issues. In winter, windows often collect water, leading to mold. The rice inside the snowman effectively absorbs excess moisture around the window. No one will guess that this ornament has such a practical purpose. This festive snowman is a moisture absorber that looks beautiful and costs next to nothing. Anyone who wears glasses is familiar with this issue. In winter, when you move from cold outdoor air into a warm room, your lenses immediately fog up, making it difficult to see anything. This can also be dangerous in many situations. Cold glasses exposed to warm, humid air cause water vapor to condense on their surface, a problem triggered by sudden temperature changes. There are many anti-fog products available on the market, but they're often quite expensive. Moreover, we don't always have them on hand when we need them the most. Here's a simple and inexpensive solution to prevent your glasses from fogging up, using items you already have at home. Apply 1 drop of glycerin to each lens, both on the inside and outside. Then polish the lenses with a clean cloth. If you don't have glycerin at home, shaving foam will work as well. Apply it directly to your glasses and thoroughly rub the product into the lenses. Shaving foam reduces surface tension, effectively preventing water vapor from condensing on your glasses. This simple trick will keep your glasses fog-free, no matter how large the temperature difference is. You've been using your ice scraper wrong your whole life. If you look closely, the other side has little teeth. First, run those across the frozen windshield like this. The ridges crack the ice and create tiny fractures in it. That makes the ice lose its grip, so it lifts off the glass much more easily. Only then use the smooth edge and scrape it clean. The ice comes off way faster and with hardly any effort. 5 winter hacks you need to know. Cut a pool noodle lengthwise and open it up. Lift the windshield wiper, place the noodle over it, then lower the wiper back down. Do the same with the other wiper. This prevents the wipers from freezing to the windshield. In the morning, just remove the noodle and you're good to go. Next, take a zip-top bag and open it. Slip it over the side mirror and secure it with a rubber band. Do the same for the other mirror. The bag protects your mirrors from snow and frost. Remove the bags and enjoy mirrors ready for driving. Always keep a piece of cardboard in your trunk. Place it under the front wheels. The cardboard increases traction and helps you move off on snow or ice. 1 tablespoon is all you need, and you can forget about scraping your windshield in the morning. Cold mornings can be really unpleasant, and clearing ice off the glass often takes way too long. Instead of buying an expensive deicer, you can make your own. Pour 1 cup of alcohol into a tall container. It melts ice fast and boosts the whole mixture. Then add half a cup of white vinegar. Vinegar not only enhances the effect of the alcohol but also lowers the freezing point, helping the ice melt faster and preventing a new layer from forming. Add half a cup of boiled water to get the right consistency. Now add 1 tablespoon of a secret, very important ingredient. It forms a protective layer and slows down refreezing. Add a tablespoon of dish soap to help the mixture spread evenly. A few drops of essential oil will give it a pleasant scent, so it's effective and nice to use. Once mixed, pour everything into a spray bottle, close it and shake well. Spray it over the frosted windshield, and the ice will disappear within moments, leaving the glass perfectly clear. The secret ingredient is glycerin, thanks to which you can finally forget what morning scraping feels like. I don't waste time in the morning defrosting my car windows. At night, I spread a towel over the glass. The towel traps the moisture, so ice doesn't form, and the windows stay clear and ready to drive in the morning.
During winter, I always have a newspaper in my car. Might sound strange, but once you understand why, you might adopt the habit too. Old newspapers, it turns out, possess some remarkable qualities many people are unaware of. In the winter, our cars often accumulate moisture, especially from the melting snow on our shoes. If you don't want to invest in rubber mats, a simple folded newspaper under the floor mat works wonders. It absorbs the moisture effectively, and you can easily swap it out every few days. Not only does it address the moisture issue, but it also prevents the floor mat from slipping during drives. Simply place it under the car seat or above the trunk. Your windows won't fog up, even in winter. Foggy windows can be a nuisance. If your car has too much moisture, this trick will come in handy. Put it in a carafe or jar and stretch it over the opening. Prepare some dry, white rice. Pour it into the inside of a sock. Rice has brilliant properties as a natural water absorber. Additionally, it eliminates unpleasant odors. Tie the end of the sock with an elastic band. Place the prepared sock in the car. You can tuck it under the seats. If you're dealing with a foggy rear window, place it on the parcel shelf above the trunk. There's no airflow in that area, so the rice will effectively handle the condensation. Although this trick may seem simple, it really works. Replace the rice in the sock once a month. Are you having trouble with your car doors freezing? This trick will solve it in seconds. During winter, door seals can stiffen, stick, or even crack. The plastic parts can be damaged in sub-zero temperatures. That's why, in the early days of winter, it's essential to lubricate them. You can use regular cosmetic Vaseline for this task. Apply the product to your finger and lubricate the seals with it. This will make them firm and resistant to frost. Make sure to thoroughly apply the Vaseline to the seals on the doors as well. Do you have Vaseline at home? Did you know you can use it for car care? A simple potato can work wonders, especially in winter. Take a potato half and rub it on your car windows. The starch it leaves behind prevents water and snow from sticking, proving invaluable during intense precipitation. This trick ensures a clear view without streaks from rain, enhancing overall road safety. Take WD-40 and spray it on that car part, ideally before the coldest weather hits. This simple step can save you a lot of hassle. WD-40, with its multiple uses, proves valuable to keep in your car during winter. If you've dealt with frozen locks and freezing temperatures, you know regular deicers don't always cut it. That's why a preemptive spray of WD-40 on the lock can work wonders. It quickly fills the lock's internal components, safeguarding it from water and freezing. Taking just a few seconds, this task can spare you plenty of frustration on frosty winter mornings.